Ni abeye ne mpuntu ebekoso ewo Cape Coast ene ne mpotem na disua ho nsem agina ne naso enti meyo wo ho ade se wakobie motofo suku ede ama ade hye bia ewo Cape Coast asoso no de aso abofom eso besi ayaresabia ne niema hodo bia beboa amakuro no atumi akonkan.
Mpuntuo eda opani bia komaso se adehia wo ne mpotemu ana ne mpeswa so ebetumi ade won ho afri ohaw bia emu ne sasunti ena onimnyamfo George Justice Arthur wono eye Metropolitan Chief Executive ema Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly won finfin mantam no emu aboa ama won SC 2 unit KG block Ediama St Nicholas Basic School sanso ena wode aso abofom a chip compound wo CB ede ama won ena fensu wetu nsuo ede ama adehia wo honum se ne be ya ensuo ho enye na emfa ema won ene sea defense a won asi na epo emba mbetete adehia a won ewo kro no emu dwumedie na se no onimnyamfo Justice George Arthur ene adehia no ekasaye.
I am very happy that Metro Assembly through the respective heads of department we all came together ensuring that this thing is done. I want to assure you that in the coming days for 2026, Christ Church is also going to receive 6-unit classroom block, 3-unit PHS block, and other facilities as well. I want to tell the media and all of us that in the coming days, as we are going to commission this project, we are also going to commission our 6-unit classroom block at Tuisechi. We are also going to commission our 3-unit classroom block for JHS at Besakro. We are also going to commission our 2-chip compound, one at Dankwa in the northern part of Cape Coast and one at Bofiedo, also in Cape Coast South. Furniture. As part of the allocation for the District Assembly come-off, we are to use 10% to procure from modern furniture.
Sanso ena Uraire Penelope Akins awono eye headmistress was in Nicholas Anglican Basic School and so ekasaye.
Education remains the bedrock of every progressive society and it begins at the foundational level. A kindergarten is not merely a structure of bricks and mortar. It is a nurturing space where young minds are shaped, curiosity is awakened, values are instilled, and the future leaders of our great nation take their first step in formal education. This new facility will provide a safe, supportive, and stimulating environment for our young learners to grow academically, socially, emotionally, and spiritually as well. As beneficiaries of this new block, we assure all our stakeholders that it will be well maintained and used judiciously to deliver quality early childhood education to our learners.
Enane Krakrano, Metro Health Director Emma Cape Coast, Openi Samuel Kwabena Ofosu, enso ekasaye efa chip compound a wosi ede ama won na pomuden ho nsem no etumi edimu.
The chip compound wa ye no ebeboa about 6 communities. One population in about 40,000. A year pa maye. Esan say ya we bebra ekoso Cape Coast ano. Ebi wo ha isas ye wo bofro ye. Aha. Na yenya health facility wo ha. Obi ayare ebetimi asoso ano. Say with the new facility, yebenya maternity, yebenya detention, yebenya lab, yebenya accommodation for staff. Ni nyina no ebeboa ye. Si yenya resident health worker obetena ha obeye adwuma no a anadwo da so mso obi yare obi hu dodo no am tentam no mbetimi aba ha enti de besere ne se krom ha mpanimfo all other stakeholders so obia no emfa ne ho ne na ho ode meboa na timelines a MC di ama say within 3 months wo munwie na hand over no eyentimi endru ho